good evening friends. I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Ace Friend. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 14th of March Monday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 15th of March Tuesday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. If you look at the European indices, Germany, France and UK all are trading in greens. The strength is coming from the German market followed by France, and the least strength is coming by the UK. If you talk about China, China closed in deep red. The indices were down by more than 2%. If you talk about US in the last trading session, the US markets were also in red. Nasdaq closed minus 2%, S&P 500 minus 1.3%, and Dow Jones minus 0.69%. If you go to the FIDI data for today, FIs have sold for just 176 crores. Seems like things are changing at the FI end, and if they become the buyer, then market will definitely go up. When we talk about the DIs were net buyers. They have bought for more than 1,998 crores. If you go to the one-day chart of Nifty, we can see again a bullish candle has been formed. In the last couple of trading session, Nifty is looking strong as of now. And if you go to the 15-minute chart to understand the price action, we can see that Nifty opened flat, and from the flat, whenever we have seen that Nifty opens flat, either it goes up in a strong way or goes down in a weakest way possible. So flat opening is the best opening, I would say, friends. If you go to the opening opening data was really flat because of the mixed cues from the US and the Asian markets. Now in this scenario, what Nifty has done today is Nifty has taken a support of 16,600, and from there Nifty has shot up to the resistance level of 16,740 to 750. And now when the resistance which was given to you in the video, which was is broken, as you can see, from 750 onwards Nifty has formed the last candle of 16,887. So roughly around 130 points Nifty has shot up from the point of resistance. So this is a good scenario of making money, because whenever resistance is broken, Nifty was strong, and that's how somebody could have easily taken 130 points. If not 130, then 100 points for sure. They were easy. Okay, if we go to the support side, now the support for Nifty will come at, first support will come at 16,740 to 16,750. The second support would come at 16,600 to 620, and the third would be at 16,450 to 480. It seems like there is a gap between 16,450 to 16,400. So not sure whether this gap will be filled or not, but let's see. For tomorrow, the first resistance would be at close to 16,900, then 17,000, and then 17,150 to 170. If Nifty breaks 17,000, then definitely there will be a short covering in the market, which will take the market even higher. Let's go to the option chain to validate the levels of Nifty. We are at 16,850. Here you can see good amount of call writers have closed their positions and they are running for the cover. Good amount of put writing is happening at 16,600 and 16,500. So these are the ultimate support levels for this week. If we talk about the call writers have started closing position at 17,000. Here you can see, which is not a very which is actually a good sign of a bullish market. This means that the bears are running now, and after this I can see good amount of call writing happening at 17,200. So these are the levels as of now. Let's see what happens in Bank Nifty tomorrow. On Bank Nifty has also found a bullish candle and closed at 35,312. If we go to the 15-minute chart of Bank Nifty, we can see the Bank Nifty did not retest the previous closing and formed a bullish candle, and then the bullish candle was formed in the first 15 minutes, and from there it started taking support and then shot up to 35,300. when it crossed 35,000, it was pretty sure that another 300 points can be taken very easily by Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has come up at a resistance level and closed perfectly at the resistance level given to you in the previous video. I'll give the link of the video in the I button. Please do check it out. This was the resistance given to you, and all these levels are being perfectly respected by index. Now, on the 15-minute chart, we can see if Bank Nifty opens gap up tomorrow, then the first in fact, if it opens flat or if it opens slightly gap down, the first resistance would be this only, because here the Bank Nifty has taken a pause. So 35,050 would, just a second guys, ah 35,400 would be the first resistance, and after that we can see the second resistance would be at 35,550 to 35,600, and the next would be at 35,700 to 35,750. If we start coming down, then the first support would be at 34,980 to 35,050. The second would be at 34,850 to 34,900, and the last and ultimate support would be somewhere around 34,700. Let's go to the option chain of Bank Nifty to validate the levels. I guess this is an option chain of Nifty. Let's wait for some time and let the data load. Yes, for Bank Nifty we are at 35,300. Here also call writers have closed their position, and this is a sign of a bullish market. Now talking about the call writers are now standing firmly at the level of 36,000 and 35,500, but 35,500 call writers are not having conviction. They have started closing their positions, and even it is same for the 36,000 call writers. So this is a good sign for the markets. These banking stocks have been performing poorly for the last couple of months, and they should bounce back now. If we talk about the call writers, good amount of call writing is happening at 35,000, followed by 34,500. So these are the levels for the put writers. So that's all for today's video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.